guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. You know that? Subscribe to my channel because you know what? The thing is free. Free of cost. Support your girl Janet. And do the thing, just click that button. Click. And guess what? You can turn on the notification too, you know? Because you know, every time I vlog, you'll be notified. And you can watch and support this girl. Support this girl. Hey, the way I'm so tired. Listen. Videoing wasn't one of my big jobs, but you know, a girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. What I just banged two envelope in one pocket so that it gives me space. So this is done. So I'm gonna open it on camera and let's see what comes inside.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, wagwan. So today is Saturday. I just finished work, got home, shower. Now I'm getting ready to go out with my boy because he's taking me out for a late Mother's Day presents. And guess what? He organized everything, so it's a surprise. I don't know where I'm going, what I'm doing, but he doesn't like the vlog, but I'll try and get a little bit of whatever he plans to show you guys. So let me go finish and get ready. See ya. So this is the outfit. So my boy took me to watch One Love Bob Marley movie that I wanted to watch, and trust me, I like the movie. It gave me some foresight about Bob Marley's life. No matter who was playing Bob Marley, where he's from, it was a good movie. And I think the moral of the story is that behind every man is a strong woman. That's the moral of the story, not who plays it. And this story divide people because they said like the guy is not Jamaican, whatever. But you know what? He did a good job to me, and that's my opinion. But the movie was good, so don't listen to people. If you, as I was saying before my battery ran out, it was a good movie to me. I love it. And thanks for my late Mother's Day present, Jaden. It was lovely. I had a lovely time, food and everything. So better late than never. So now it's nighttime, it's bedtime. So I guess I'll see you tomorrow or the next day, who knows. Now don't get me wrong, you know, the story is just part, the Bob Marley story I'm talking about, it's part of the story. It's not the full extent what I thought it would be, because I didn't see some of the baby mothers, but it is what it is. It done make already, not my fault. Oh, my nose is shiny. Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe. So you know, look, today's Friday. Look at the hair. The braid is gone. Finally, it's gone. I took them out, but that's in another video of a reset video I'm making. So that's it. So today is Friday, you know the drill. I went to the sauna and the steam room and swimming, and I'm so tired because after I had to do shopping and on all those crazy stuff. So now let me run down the week, my week from Monday to Thursday, because you know that today's Friday is nothing different. So it's my life as a traveling TA. Guess what? This is opening my eyes in another different level. The industry is so wide, and I was like in a closet, but now you know what? The door is open and it gives me the ability to go to so many different places. I was complaining in the beginning, but you know what? Now I'm finding my feet and I stop complaining because I'm enjoying myself. Trust me. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm finding my stride. Yeah, and I'm doing my thing. And you know, the people are making me comfortable as well. So I'm not complaining about that. So this week I went to 2 different schools. One I stayed for the Monday, and the other one I stayed for the Wednesday and the Thursday. Yeah, because I go to school on the Tuesday. So yeah, but these schools that I'm going to, they have a primary section and secondary section, and these schools, the children are non-verbal, so you just have to know how to do your thing, and then it is what it is. It's just like a mainstream school. It's just like any school. It's just that they are non-verbal, and you know how to deal with them. You just get comfortable. So on Monday I went to the secondary school. The secondary school I didn't want to go the week before. I said, you know what, let me just try it. So I went to the secondary school, and you know what? I learned so much. I learned a lot. I learned how to use the harness. That's how you lift them up from one section to the other, with the head of a person as well. And they show you how to do that, and it just gives me great joy in supporting the children because it makes them happy. Because as a parent, when you put yourself into that shoe, you're like, it just comes natural because that's where the parents do anyway. And if it was your child, you would have done that. I just like taking care of the children. So on the first day, the second day, they were good. They did their work. They did the work. And the other thing with is, you know, they're bigger than I am. But you know what? They will behave. They just follow the guidance and everything, and they do their work. But in the class, you've got so much support. You've got like 2 nurses, and you've got like 3 TAs plus the teacher. So, and this was like about about 9 kids or stuff like that. But you know your role, and they don't really leave you to do stuff on your own. You always get support. And that was the first school, the secondary school. It was alright. I did like it. But on Tuesday, oh my god, I went back to the class, my maths class, and the teacher, because I missed the week before, the teacher told me off. Oh my god, the man told me off, you know, the man tell me off. The man say if I'm not coming, I should let him know. He even end up giving me his number, say I shouldn't miss any class and blah 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 and stuff like that. But luckily for me, the people, he had to go all over the maths again that he taught the week before, because some of them didn't understand. So guess what? I caught up. Even when he might tell me off, I don't even care. I was even listening, because you know what? The brain is getting soft, not thick anymore. And I caught up. He gave me homework and everything, but guess what? I haven't done it yet. Yeah, but later I've got to do my thing. So that was Tuesday. So Wednesday now, I went to this school and I stayed there for Wednesday and Thursday. And I was put in a class that I'm comfortable with because it's the smaller kids. And let me look back on my notes. There were 7. Was it 7? No. It wasn't 7 kids. In that class, it was like 5 kids and it was 3 of us. Yeah. 5 kids and 3 of us. And they're my level. They're non-verbal as well. But that school is so good because they teach you how to do Makatan. And the people that works there before, they're doing their Makatan thing. I only know a few, but I'm catching on. In the beginning of briefing, they give a Makatan for a day so that you know how to communicate. And that's how the children, they communicate with you with Makatan. And you just support them. You do the same thing like you normally would do in what they call a mainstream school, but school is school. It could be main or not main. School is school, pupil is a pupil. But that school was so good. They even asked me if I would if I would go and apply for a job there. But applying for a job at one place, I don't know, they would have to be flexi for me because I'm not giving up my studying and I'm not giving up my other job, so it's got to be flexi and working for me. But that school is so good. I wish I can get back that school again, because you know what, my Makatan will be coming up, my experience will be coming up in schools like that, and it would give me a broader platform that when I feel like I'm ready to apply into a school, I've got so much experience that I can go for any and everything that I want. But that is it. So now today's Friday. And guess what? They said yesterday was the beginning of spring. I don't know where to spring, because when it's spring, you should be springing. Your foot should be springing and everything should be spring and sprung. But it's so cloudy outside. It's even gonna rain. So I don't know where that spring come from, but it is what it is. This is what country we live in. We just have to do what we have to do. So that is my week. So tomorrow is Saturday and I'm going to the next job. And my savings channel is what I'm talking about. My savings challenge, not channel, challenge is going on so well. So this week I should put, it's the 4th week, so I should put £4 into that what do you call it, that envelope. So I'm gonna do that on the floor and I'm gonna show you something else. So I'll see you soon. So this is the money challenge book. It says finally blonde. I'm not even blonde, because blonde don't fit this girl. So I've done it like this. So I put 2 in the wallet. I put week 1, £1, and week 2. Let me put it to the floor so you can see better. So I did week 1 and week 2 in here, and this is week 3 with £3. So week 4 should be £4, but I don't have any change. I only have £2, so I leave this here. But I jump ahead and I did week 5 with £5. So I'm gonna close this one, and then tomorrow, so that means I've done week 5 here already, but when I go on the road, I'm gonna remember to get 2 more pounds to put in here, but I'm not gonna close this until that one is finally done. What I just banged two envelope in one pocket so that it gives me space. So this is done, and these are the envelopes. I'll put this aside. So now I bought these things, these 4 stackable shoe boxes from Primark, and they're like, I bought 2, 10 per each. You know what, Primark will sponsor me, you know, because I just like shopping at Primark. I buy most stuff like this at Primark. Primark should start giving me some benefits. I'm gonna, it says it's easy. It holds up to size 12K shoes, and it's supposed to be easy to set up, but you know what, let's see if it's easy to me. Let me get myself sorted and then I'll come back. So I'm gonna open it on camera and let's see what comes inside. Oh, so you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 box thingy, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I guess these the 2 like these go at the back, and the 2 with here goes to the front. So let me do it off camera and see if I can. I'll get back to you, or I'll show you.
Superficial. And then, you know, there's the part of like, well, you can't string him along until he's got everything perfect, and you're like, okay, now you can come on. Yeah, it's not that, like, I mean, it's not like, you know, this is real. I don't want anyone to affect it. Yeah. But the teeth are easy to fix. I mean, that's like, I don't not the impression people want to be. But I have to say, like, you're you, we get all the things she hoped. It's just kind of crazy because this should be an exciting moment for you guys. I imagine that was like a weird thing to hear her say. Like, oh, are we friends right now? I don't know what it is. I'm hoping it's just nerves, and that should be fine if you are. Even if he came today, and all was neat, and everything was perfect, you still would be honest if you met him and you were like, I'm actually not feeling it. We'll see. That's fine. Just think about it. Guys, I talked to you for a second. I think she can't get past it. She has the feelings for him, but she can't compute it to what she's saying in front of her right now. But I was telling her, get some fixed. Don't come crawling back. I just hate that he's long away from this feeling like I should never think, because this is exactly the same way. It's going to take him a while to get fixed. If she would have even run that long. She's not fine. I don't think there's any trust to say. We've already bungled the situation enough. I think she just has to talk to him without us. Maybe she'll feel different. They should at least hang out for a minute. And see if it's going to be the last hangout that they have. Maybe. be really clear with him because we have strong feelings, and I just want to make sure we're sensitive to him and that you guys end up on the same page. Okay. We want to give you guys a chance to talk it out with us, to sort of figure out where you're at and what the sort of immediate future looks like. Is that cool? We can just leave you guys to chill and chat a little bit. You guys good? We'll just be right in the car. You need us.
Be patient, take it day by day, you know.
Yeah, I mean, it's not intentional. I mean,
So where are we at? So we decided we're gonna take it slow. We're gonna take things slow. He's not losing a friend. He's not losing me. It's just, you know, we're just taking it. I know that, but not losing me. I don't want to lose my best friend.
Guys, this is the one time you turn it. Yeah, you was the horizontal. You can't hit it just for that. Nobody, guys. That's just blurry. When you use the vertical.
I'm working for you. I feel really bad. I'm really grateful that you came forward, and I know that T is too. And T, I'm glad that you're honest about where you're at and what you're capable of right now. I think that's important for you to know. It's important for you to know whether or not it's just time that's needed or if there's anything else. So if that changes, being honest is really
No one knows what's going to happen in the future, but right now, it sounds like T is interested in a physical romantic relationship. Well, I think that feels like a place to land. Unfortunate as it may be, because I made you deep feelings for this guy.
I do.
He must make you feel a way that Mike doesn't make you feel.
Right. I feel important in John's world. He doesn't make me feel less of a person because of my job. And the I love yous and I miss yous, I get it from John.